Haven't you been for the coffee break, father?
No, Rachel. I sent you. My chest has been bad for the last few days, and it gets me to walk this TV.
Period again. That was Teresa. Where are they? To come from with only one tourist in the house for over 2 months.
That's true. It seems to me, and might get the bread.
That will bring the credit of the house entirely, but you have never done anything else.
Even you and I,
Even I am tired or have had out luggage.
yes, you have. And you are still women and tennis and a person. You and I have with this house to since some time. You have had to sit in the kitchen like Shangri-La. But I have had to take care of the service, the fires, sweep and clean and do the rest. You said you are tired, this is, but how should it be with me then?
But you must have been tired. You have 3 daughters who are on employment. For who has lived in your estate?
Doesn't seem it. You have sound of doesn't you sound you have the sound of clanging and dumping down to a gully. If fire has broken out, they are lost because the wind is going close to the neck gets me down.
Have you paid the fire insurance on our house?
Yes, I have. Otherwise, I would never have got the last mortgage.
How much is the lip notice?
A fifth of the finance policy. But you know, how property dropped in value when the railroad passed our gate and went to the eastern state.
So much the better.
Madam, will you put out the fire in the stove?
Impossible. I can't till the coffee bread comes.
Well, here it is.
No bread, but a big victory.
Well, the baker said you would and break on the wall. So after the dog, the break on the wall.
Oh God in heaven, this is the inn for us, but what is this?
That's some candles. That are powerful ventilators, son. To reach the bursary of his death.
You can afford to buy such a thing?
Yes, my tips. Anything is donating to treasure my hand. When a terrible disease, can you grant me the holy contempt I possess? Let me enjoy my sorrow one time each year. To be able to live in the past memory is the most beautiful thing life ever gave.
If we had only lived until now, you would see how beautiful it would be.
It's very possible that there's two the iron. But as I remember him, he was not as you all now.
Will you be good to enough to receive Monsieur Antonio yourself? He is coming now. He has coffee without bread. Oh, if mother were only she always found a way where stood helpless.
The mother had her good qualities.
Although you say only her faults.
Once your train is cut, if you leave me, I will have talk with you.
You do better so God. Brought some money.
I can't borrow soon. After borrowing for 10 years, let everything crash at once. Everything. If it would on the way.
Then for you, yes, but you never think of us.
No, I have never thought of you. Never.
Do you big us about bringing us?
No, I'm warning at you and just report. Go now, I'll meet you at the stop as usual.
As usual, him.
Once a lieutenant has only been out for a walk.
Yes, I have been down there to Curie, and so they put out the friendly fire. Now
It needless to say, how it pains me to have to tell you now. On account of insurance supplies, our house can no longer continue to do business.
how is that?
To speak plainly, we are better.
But my good man said that, is there no way to help the both of you? What I want is a temporary investment.
No, there is no possible way. The condition of the house has been so completely undermined that I had rather than crash would come than to live in a state of anxiety day and night, expecting what must come today.
Nevertheless, I believe you are looking at the dark side of things.
Once I tell you, I can't see what makes you doubt my statement.
Because I want to help you.
I am going to listen help, but I wish I must come and teach my children to lead a different life from this which is all play. Except Adam. Others who really do not care about my kitchen. What do the others do? Just play, sing, promenade, and flirt with guests. As long as there is crust of bread in the house, they will never do anything useful.
Claiming that, but until the finance are stamped, we must have bread in the house. Allow me to will stay a month longer, and I will pay my bill in advance.
No, thank you. First, stick this course. Even if it's also to that. I don't want to continue this business any longer, which does not bring bread, nothing but homelessness. Just think how it was the last week, when the house had been painting in 3 years. Then, at last, an American family came and saved us. The morning after arrival, I ran across the shop, catching hold of my daughters on the stairs. It was Terence, who was trying to kiss my child. Once I tell you, would you tell me what you have done in my case?
I don't know.
But I know, but I know. I as a father should not have did it. But a father like me, I not do it. But I know what to do the next time.
On the account of everything, it seemed to me that you should think carefully about what you do. And don't leave your daughter to give the chance.
Once I tell you, you are a very young man. For some inspiration has one my regard. Whether you grant it or not, I am going to one question of you. Don't form an opinion as an individual or about my conduct.
Master Denard, I promise you, if you will answer me one question, are you sure or not?
Yes, I am a Swiss citizen.
Yes, I know that, but I asked